Hello friends, is it possible to improve your English language while sleeping? Yes, it is possible. But how can you do this practice? For improving your English language while sleeping, you will have to do a lot of hard work. After doing a lot of hard work, you will do this exercise. Otherwise, if you are learning English language with great long intervals, then this is not possible. This is impossible. Because when you will do some things with great interest, with great devotion and dedication, and on regular basis, then those things you are doing on day time, you will repeat those things during your sleep, in your dream. Sometimes I have also uh, have this kind of experience that sometimes beautiful ideas comes in my minds during sleep, because I in previous time I used to write stories, scripts, and for writing those stories or scripts, you know that idea is necessary, a main plot on which you will have to write the whole story. Sometimes during sleep in dream, I used to write beautiful stories. Sometimes when you awake, you forget your dreams, but sometimes you remember the whole scene. I will share with you another example that in previous time, some months ago, yes, or some years ago, I saw a dream, and in dream, a person was giving me his cell number, and when I awake, I remember that cell number. Suddenly, I wrote down that cell number. Sometimes you remember those dreams, and sometimes you forget those dreams. But whenever you remember those dreams, you can make good use of those dreams. If you are watching, you are seeing an idea, beautiful idea during your dream, then when you awake in the morning time, you can write down that idea on paper, and then you can work on that idea. So in this way, I think that if you are learning English language on daily basis and you are doing your consistent hard work, then you will see the beautiful sentences, you will see yourself while talking, while speaking English language during your dream. And in dream, whatever you will speak, you will feel happy that you are speaking very good English language. And in this way, you will improve yourself in English language. And one day, you will speak very good English language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me. And if you are new on this channel, you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.